Hello everyone, my name is Robin, and today for our lesson we are going to be learning about our 4 seasons. Okay, so there are 4 seasons that we have in the year, and we're going to be making a spinner, okay, to help us remember and learn about them. The first thing we're going to need is 2 paper plates, scissors, Koki to draw with, a marker to write with, pencil, ruler, and try and find yourself in a magazine or old magazine, some pictures. If you don't have an old magazine, then we can just draw some pictures to help about the 4 seasons. Okay, and I'll help you think of some things in a moment. So on your first plate, this is going to be the top part. We're going to cut just on the inside, so cutting all these ripples out. All right. On the inside of our paper plate, we cut out the ripples to fit on top of our second plate. And there you can see it. Then you're going to take your split pin and push it through each of the plates. So, okay, don't forget to push it at the end to flatten it. And now our spinner can spin. The next part I want us to do is to divide with our pencil our plate in 4 parts. So, just the bottom plate, just as a guide, because there are 4 seasons. Can you remember what those seasons are? And we're going to write them on the inside of our plate using Kokis to represent each part. I'm going to put summer. I'm going to use red for summer because it's nice and hot, summertime. So in the 1 quarter, I write the word summer underneath the top plate. Then I'm going to use autumn, comes after summer. In the second quarter, underneath your second plate, or underneath your top plate rather. There we go. After autumn comes winter. And I'm going to use blue because it's nice and cold. Winter. And then our last season for the year is spring. And I'm going to use a nice bright color because that's when flowers come out and birds start singing and blossoms are on the tree. So there, if you have a peek underneath our top plate, you can see all the names of the seasons. Now comes the part with sticking pictures. Find pictures of different seasons, so you can find pictures of flowers for spring, or a blue sky, or the ocean for summer. What could we find for autumn? Maybe some orange leaves because the leaves change color. And you're going to stick each thing underneath. And maybe a hot fire you could draw for winter because we sit around a hot fire. Let me show you one that I've done. Okay. And on the top I've written the heading 4 seasons. Now the last part of our spinner, we want to cut out the section, just one section, 1 quarter of our top plate. Let me go back to the beginning plate. So we're going to cut out just a part of it. I'll trace it for you so that you can see what part we're cutting out. Okay. So we're opening up that pie. Can you see? So it just shows that word summer, or just shows the word autumn. Let me show you with my finished one. So there's the season of winter, spring, and we can spin it around, summer, autumn. There you can see the different foods that we eat in winter. We wear scarves and long sleeves. One thing that we want to do also, I extend my children at school, is write the months of the year when these seasons occur. So if we go and we start with summer, it's the month of December, and you can write it at the bottom on that ripple. December, January, February, that's all in the month of, in the season of summer. Autumn happens in March, April, and May. There we go. That's autumn. Done. And then winter, you would do June, July, August. Spring, September, October, November. And there's our months of the year in our season spinner. All right. Have fun making the season spinner. And don't forget to write the months when these seasons happen.